Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we shall be doing two things. One is a glitter halo cut crease and the other is ombre concealer trend. I hope you guys enjoy watching and I hope you learn something. So starting off, we'll be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base to prep our eyelid, and then I shall be using the Lydia Stanley eyeshadow palette, and I'll start with this shade called Grayish. I'm going to use it to form the shape, and as I have hooded eyes, I like to go in and feel where my socket is so I can create a new crease. Now I'm going to be using that shade and blending it out in a half moon motion. That's the shape you want to create first for your halo eye look. Next, I'm going to be using this brown shade called Isoken, and I'm going to use it to blend out the grayish. I'm not going to put it exactly on top, just on the line so that it can diffuse a little bit. Next, I'll be using that shade, which is a burnt orange shade, and I'm going to exchange the brush for a bigger blending brush, and I'm using it to blend out that medium brown shade I applied earlier. Next is to cut the crease, and I shall be using this flat brush with P. Louise base. And the best way to cut crease for those of us with hooded eyes is to put the base on your eyelid, then you look up, wherever it touches, you cut right above it. Now we won't be cutting the crease all the way through from inner to outer eye corner. This shape is going to float, so this is how it's supposed to be, and you want to make sure that you go in and blend the edges where the base touches the eyeshadow. Then the next thing is to take that bigger blending brush and some of the burnt orange and the dark brown and apply to help the base blend with the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take that shade called Precious. It's a glittery eyeshadow shade, and I'm just going to press it on that part where I cut the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with these two glitter shades. I shall be starting with the silver, and then I'll go in with the champagne gold on top of the silver. And I just like the effect it gives. The silver has this multi-chrome effect, and the champagne gold is like a monochrome effect. It's beautiful. And I just used some glitter glue. You can use anything from Duraline to lash glue to glue your glitters. Next, I'm using the Zickel liquid liner to give a very thin line on my lash line. Because of my hooded eyes, I am not a fan of winged liners, so I just like to use black eyeshadow to set the ending part of my eyeliner instead, to give it a smoky effect. Now we're going to move on to the underpainting, and I shall be starting with the light shade of concealer, and then I follow up with the medium shade of concealer, then this blush from the lipstick palette. I'm using orange and then red. Then I'm going to spray my face with setting spray. I should mention that I've already applied foundation underneath, so I am using a brush now to blend from the lightest shade of concealer to the medium shade. If you're using brush, please make sure you have two brushes, one for the concealer and one for the blushes. You don't want to mix everything up. If you're using a sponge, make sure to use different sides of the sponge to blend out the concealer and the blush. So afterward, I switched to a smaller brush and then I blended out the blush before I took a bigger brush and like diffused it so it would be like all around my cheeks. I really love this particular trend. I feel like it's such a beautiful thing to do if you know how to blend. So afterwards, I just went in with my setting powder and then I set, the parts where I applied concealer. For extra security, I'm also going to use another brush with some light pressed powder, and I'm going to press it underneath my eyes as well. Then I'm going to go in with powder blush to set the cream blush I applied. And I had to go off camera to finish the rest of my face, including lipstick, because there was no light. But I did get the final look. So tell me, what do you think of how the look came out? I think pairing this with red lipstick was the best thing for this look. It looks incredible. If you're going to be trying out this look, you can tag me on Instagram at candyagigilek. And remember to subscribe before you leave. Check out one of my previous videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.